Welcome back, students. Now, what I did in the dissection is that I removed the palmaris longus and this palmar aponeurosis from the palm, okay? And then I just traced the branches from the ulnar nerve, okay? You can see this is the ulnar nerve here, which is dividing here into two, okay? This digital branches, okay, common digital branch, and then this is the deep branch of the ulnar nerve. It is the superficial branch of the ulnar artery. So now this ulnar nerve is dividing here into two branches superficially. That is, one it is going as a palmar cutaneous branch, okay, digital branch onto the medial side of the little finger, and then this branch is going in between the web space between the little and index finger, and it is dividing into two, okay, digital cutaneous branches. See this will be dividing into two terminal digital cutaneous branches here, okay, and then these two branches, they are going, one of this is going on to the lateral side of the little finger, and this branch is going on to the medial side, okay. Just let me turn it and show you this branch. It is going on to the medial side of the ring finger, okay. Now along with this, we have seen that this is that superficial palmar arch. This was the ulnar artery, and this is superficial branch of the ulnar artery, which is forming the superficial palmar arch. And in the superficial palmar arch, it gives many branches, okay. They are the common, okay, digital branches, and these common digital branches, they are at least four here seen, okay. This is the number one was here, that was going to that of the medial side of the little finger. This is the second branch, okay, which is dividing here along with the nerve into two, and in the web space this digital branch, and then it is supplying to the digit index and the little finger. This is the third branch, and here it is the fourth branch running along with the nerve, okay, running along with the nerve. This nerve which is going to 1.5 finger onto the medial side, that is to the ring finger, as well as half of the ring and the full of this little finger, is supplied by the superficial branch of the ulnar nerve. Otherwise, these other branches, they are coming from the median nerve, okay. This branch is from the median nerve. This is from the median nerve branch is coming, which will be supplying to the lateral 3.5 digits, okay, cutaneous branches. Now what I am going to do that, since I could not get that other end of the superficial palmar arch, which is formed by the superficial branch of this radial nerve. You can see here this is radial nerve. So I will have to give the cut to that the flexor retinaculum, and just will expose those tendons and the nerve which are going deep to the flexor retinaculum. So just I will pass the tip of the forceps here into the deep to the flexor retinaculum, and then will give a cut here, so that the median nerve should be saved, okay, in such a way that it should not cut, because it is lying just deep to the flexor retinaculum. So I am giving, it's very strong, this retinaculum. See this, I have given a cut and exposed this osteofibrous tunnel, okay, carpal tunnel, what is called as. And here you can see this is the median nerve is here. I will just pull the medial nerve, because the rest of the thing, they are in the bursa radial and the ulnar bursa, which is a synovial bursa here. So this is that radial nerve, and this synovial bursa, that is radial, and the ulnar bursa, they are covering the tendons of the flexor digitorum superficialis and flexor digitorum profundus, which I will deliver later. You see this, how narrow is this space, okay, of this carpal tunnel, and this glistening membrane covering to this tendon here is that of the bursa, that is the synovial sheath. This will be also covering separately to that of the flexor carpi radialis, okay, the tendon of the flexor carpi I mean to say, sorry, not flexor carpi radialis, the tendon of the flexor pollicis longus. See this in my finger is the tendon of the flexor pollicis longus, which will form the radial bursa here, and all this I will clean after removing this bursa here. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video.